Hi, my name is Shauna Hollinger. I'm the Creator Education Manager here at Mavely by Later, and this is going to be a tutorial on how to set up your Mavely MyShop. Right now, I want you to see the potential because we have a beautifully designed Mavely MyShop created by Audrey Ross of Modern Farmhouse, Ohio. So I want to kind of take you through her MyShop so you can see how this can look for you. So I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, this is beautifully set up. She's made these amazing collages that let you know exactly what you can find in each post. So she's got different pages up here at the top. So this is a Walmart finds page, a Target finds page. So for instance, if I click on Target finds, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to be able to find things directly from Target. This is how she has set up her pages. And you can set this up by brand. You can set it up by theme. It doesn't matter. However you want to set it up, it's up to you. For example, I'm going to go ahead and click on this one right here. And she's made a collage with 6 different bedding collections from Parachute, right? So you can see that there's 6 links within this post. She has a little description. I'm loving the new Parachute collection at Target. The bedding is so good. And then we could scroll down and see all 6 of those links right here. And if I click on one of these links, it's going to take me directly to the product. So if you were sharing that post on social media, your audience does not have to download the Mavely app in order to access these links. It will take them directly to the product. So let's go ahead and dive in and walk through how to set up your Mavely MyShop. So when you create your Mavely account on the web app, you'll be able to access your MyShop by clicking on the MyShop icon in the top right-hand corner. You'll see this pop up when you click on it, and it will prompt you to either set up your MyShop or do it later. And right here is telling you this is one of the best perks about being a Mavely creator. This is a way for people to access your own public-facing storefront. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Set Up My MyShop. And it's going to take me to the settings, and you can access the settings for your MyShop by clicking on this icon right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a photo. And if you want to change your photo, you can. You would just hit clear photo and it will remove the one that you have. And then you can upload another photo if you would like. Now it's time to name your MyShop. So I recommend either using the name of your brand or your niche. I'm going to type in affordable mid-size fashion. Whenever it comes to naming on social media, or in this case, your MyShop, you always want to be thinking about keywords and search engine optimization. And as you can see, as I typed that in, it was automatically creating the slug for my MyShop URL. You do not have to keep it like this. I can delete this and change it to something else if I want. However, once I hit create shop, the only way that I can make a change to the slug of my URL is by reaching out to the Mavely support team, and then we can change it for you. I'm just going to type in Shauna's Midsize Fashion for the URL for my MyShop. So for the bio, I just put affordable mid-size fashion for women over 40. Click the images below to shop my looks. I recommend adding 1 to 2 sentences there. And then right here, it says socials coming soon. You'll be able to connect to your social media accounts in the future. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and hit create shop. Now you can see a preview of what your MyShop looks like at the moment. So we have the profile picture, we have the name of the MyShop, and then I have my bio right here. And then here's the link to my MyShop. So I can copy this right here. And down here you can see it says copy to clipboard. And then we have prompts right here that tells you that your MyShop is live, and it's going to walk you through the steps of setting up your MyShop by first creating a post, then creating a page, and then publishing your page. Now, in order to create a post, you're going to need links created already. So I'm going to go ahead and create some Walmart links, and then we'll use those links in order to create a post. So the easiest way to create your Mavely affiliate links while you're on the web app is by using either the Chrome extension or the Safari extension. So you can simply type in Mavely Chrome extension in Google, and then you can click right here and it will take you to the Chrome extension. Since I already have it, it's saying remove from Chrome, but it will prompt you to add it if you don't already have it installed. And then once you go to any brand that we have on the Mavely platform, all you'll do is log in, and then you'll be able to click on that extension and it will automatically create the link for whatever page you're on. So I found address on the Walmart website. I've already logged into the Chrome extension. So now all I have to do is click on it and it will create the link. Now I can copy this link and share it wherever I want. I can post it in my Instagram stories. I can share it in a Facebook post, and it will take people directly to this page without them having to download the Mavely app. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a few more links and then create my MyShop post. So now that I've created my links, I'm going to do the first prompt, which is to create a post. So let's go ahead and click on that. and it's going to take you to this page. This page is showing you the different layouts that you can have for your post. So you can have a feed layout, a shelf layout, or a collection layout. And you'll be able to see a preview of what that looks like in just a little bit. The first step is to add your links. So I'm going to go ahead and click add links. You can either click here to select your links or add links here. So I'm going to click that and add the 4 links that I want to add to the post. Hit apply, and then now my links are added. You can pin up to 4 posts. So say I want these to show up in a different order, or say I had 10 links instead of 4 links. I can pin up to 4 of them if I want those to be front and center. Say I want this one to show up first, I could pin that and it would move that one to the front. So I'm just going to go ahead and unpin it for now and then go down to the next step, which is the caption. If I were to click on this arrow, it's just going to minimize it, and then you can expand the next section. So now I'm going to give this post a title and a description. All right, so I've added a title. I named it Favorite Dresses for the Summer. And then I added a brief description saying, if you're looking for comfy casual summer dresses, you'll love these. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to image, and it's going to prompt you to either upload an image or you can do a link collage. And I really love the link collage. It's just a way to save time. So I'm going to go ahead and click link collage and then click on create collage. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull images from the links that I added. So here it is. And then now you can see a better preview of the different layouts. So again, here's the feed layout, the shelf layout, and the collection. So now I'm going to go ahead and create post. And it's going to ask if you want to add it to a page. It says add your post to a page to publish it to your MyShop. If the page is not published, you can add and publish the page later. I'm going to go ahead and create a page. You can also create a page by clicking on this icon right here. So that's another way to do it. So if I click on it, it will take me to create page. I'll go ahead and click on that again. This is where it's going to allow you to set up the configuration for your page. It's prompting me to add a title. So the name of this page is going to be Walmart Summer Finds. And right here is where you can toggle on the page visibility. So if you do not want it to show up yet, leave it not published. But if you are ready for it to be seen, toggle it on to published. Now it's going to allow you to select the page layout. So you can either choose feed, shelves, or collections. You won't see the preview of it yet until you add the post to the page. Right here, it's giving you a warning saying danger zone. If you want to delete the page, this is where you would do it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on post so I can add the post that I just created to this page. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Then I'll click on add post. And then here's the post that I just created. I'll go ahead and select it, hit apply, and now it is added to my page. Before I hit create page, if I want to preview the other layouts, I'll just go back up to configuration. I'm seeing what it looks like as the feed layout. I can select shelves to see what that looks like, and then also collections. I'm going to stick with collections and then hit create page. And right here it's showing me that it's visible. Now say I want to go back and say I don't want it to be collections anymore. I want it to be the shelf layout. I would just go to shelves and then hit update page. To see what this will look like if someone were to click the link to my MyShop, I would click on this eye in the top left-hand corner, and then you can see a preview of what it will look like when someone clicks your MyShop link. Here's one of the MyShops that I created on another test account, and this is what it looks like when you have 2 pages. This is the collection layout and this is the shelf layout. So for each page, you can have a different layout if you like. I recommend creating a post first before creating a new page so that you can add the post to the page. You can have up to 100 links per post. You can create as many posts as you would like, and you can have up to 25 pages. In the event you want to change the image of the link or the title and the description of your links, go into your Mavely account and click on the links tab, and it will bring you to this screen. And then you can click on the 3 dots of whatever link that you want to update, and then click edit link. And then you can click on this little icon right here to upload a new image. And then you can also change the title and the description. So I'm really excited to see what you come up with your MyShop. If you have any questions getting started, feel free to reach out and we're always happy to help.